students are thinking. Throughout my lifetime as a history buff, I loved history since the 4th grade. In my 11th grade U.S. history teacher and civics as a high school senior. I majored in U.S. history in college as a Madison Fellow here in Georgetown. All the different kinds of learning that I've done at street law, at the U.S. Supreme Court Teacher Institute here in D.C. It's helped me to understand and keep learning. As a retired teacher, the last thing I want to do is be stagnant. And somebody asks me a question I don't know. So I'm constantly trying to be sure I know everything and read everything. My favorite subjects from high school till today: government, the U.S. Supreme Court Teacher Institute, Executive Director Lee Arbitman, I think challenged me the most to learn and know how to find Supreme Court cases. You don't have to memorize what they do. There are a few that I love. I love Tinker v. Des Moines when students wore black armbands during the Vietnam War because they wanted to protest and they were told they couldn't, and that it was a silent protest. I love Kuhlmeyer versus Hazelwood when the principal was told basically that what he had done, it went to the Supreme Court, he couldn't do. That rights belong to individuals, whether they're students writing an article in a school newspaper or whether we are adults in our senior years. All of us have rights from the Bill of Rights.